Here is a quick 1:5 reward trade on the Euro USD pair. So hello traders, let's analyze Monday's price action, which was on 29th of December 2025. And in this price action, we essentially what we are looking for in any of the strategies that I utilize, we look for three key non-negotiables, that is inducements, lower time frame confirmations, and my key time window. So let's see how each of them play out. So here you can see this blue box, which this is the Asia session, and Asia session is generally highly manipulative, and I will not place any trades there since it's manipulative. And so, and the same goes for Frankfurt Open as well. At 12:30, it's highly manipulative, and I don't place any trades there. I only stick to my key time windows. So in this case, we see that Asia swept high right over here, took all the stop losses, and then gave a non-meaningful reaction, swept high again, non-meaningful reaction, and then finally gave a final sweep high, took out all the stop losses. But the reaction wasn't volatile enough, it wasn't meaningful, there was not much intent as well. As you can see, a lot of build-up happened. So this is not an inducement, rather it's a liquidity sweep. Although it took out all the stop losses, we didn't get a meaningful reaction. So we have a lot of Asia high liquidity right over here, a lot of stop losses involved, trendline liquidity, and Asia low liquidity right over here. So after that, let's see what price action does. We see price action going bullish, and Frankfurt opens in this case at 12:30 and still goes bullish. And finally London Open, which is our key time window. The first hour of London Open is our key time window, and London initially gives a consolidating move, and then later price starts to shoot up and aggressively takes out all the stop losses in the Asia high. So it swept all the liquidity in the Asia high. Now we saw the cause. Now we need to see the effect, a meaningful reaction. And here, as you can see, price aggressively came down and showed us a lot of imbalance candles, bearish imbalance candles, and also did a small internal breakout structure as well. So inducement is perfect in this case, and we are not key time window. So now we look for lower time frame confirmations. So for lower time frame confirmations, we need price to do at least an internal breaker structure or a external breaker structure. External would be here, but internal breaker structure happened in this case, so it's good enough. And what we do is we circle the candles or the set of candles which led to the breaker structure or internal breaker structure, and put a refined zone right over here, and place our stop loss here, and wait for price to retrace until this refined zone, and we enter the sell trade, that is. So here we can see how quickly price gave us a 1:5 risk reward trade within the session. It didn't even take a day, it took only a few hours. So this is how this trade played out, and my take profit involves selling half the lots at 1:3 risk reward trade, and selling the remaining half based on the scenario, but in this case at 1:5 risk reward trade. So that's how this trade played out.